Introducing the InfiniRack cabinet, built from the ground up to address the challenges of modern data centers. Our expert engineers designed this cabinet based on direct customer feedback to deliver nearly endless configurations with infinite possibilities. Effective cable management is a key feature of InfiniRack. Its thin beam frame design and integrated dual PDU channels maximize available space for cable pass-through, and our unique cable managers help eliminate airflow obstructions, preserve cable health, and organize cable bundles. Our vertical cable managers offer toolless installation and removal. This feature allows for simple and easy cable reconfiguration with the cabinet, which is especially beneficial for ever-changing multi-tenant environments. Choose between short or long finger designs based on your cable capacity needs, and optional lashing panels and hinge covers to relieve stress on cable terminations and keep your cable bundles concealed. Check out InfiniRack's infinite possibilities and more at nconnex.com. We are NConnex, born to innovate.